everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Epic Games Launcher Setup Wizard ending prematurely. If you're trying to install Epic Games but keep getting this error, follow these simple steps to fix it. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer and go to your C drive, as Epic Games files are usually stored there. Now, open the Program Files folder and look for a folder named Epic Games. If you see it, right-click on it and select Delete. Next, go back and open Program Files x86. Again, search for an Epic Games folder. If it exists, delete it as well. To make sure there are no leftover files, check your App Data folder. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type in %appdata% and hit Enter. Look for any Epic Games related folders and delete them. Once that's done, empty your recycle bin to fully remove these files. Step 2. Use Task Manager to run the installer. Now, let's make sure the installer runs correctly. Right-click on the Windows Start menu and select Task Manager. Click on the Startup Apps tab. Click on Run New Task or Create New Task. In the New Task window, type the following command exactly as shown, msiexec.x before hitting OK. Check the box that says, Create this task with administrative privileges. Now, click on Browse and locate your Epic Games setup file. If you downloaded it to your desktop, go there and make sure you change the file type from All Files to Programs so you can see the installer. Once you find Epic Games Installer, select it and click Open, then hit OK. The installation wizard should now launch properly without ending prematurely. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to install the Epic Games Launcher without any issues. If this video helped, please drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.